So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a bar graph on the Visme application. So once you have Visme opened up on your device, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle. Then in the middle here, press on where it says charts/graphs. Now on the screen, slide this where there's a whole bunch of different charts here. So there's the gouge chart, area charts, etc. Just slide this all the way to the right until you come across an option that says pie charts right here. For me, it's right in between, or sorry, not pie charts, bar graphs. My apologies. Slide over here where it says bar graphs between line graphs and maps. Press on bar graphs. Now what you can either do is select a blank template if you wish, or what you can also do is find a pre-created template and then select that and edit your own information however you may wish. So if you want to do this one right here, personal monthly budget allocation, we'll go ahead and press on this for demonstration. It's now going to take a couple seconds to load this into a new project, and once that is done, which you will see very shortly here, it'll now create a bar graph template that you can now edit and use in your Visme presentation. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can create a bar graph on the Visme application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.